Good morning, students. Today I am here with the previous chapter, chapter number 11, mensuration. I have already explained you the basic knowledge of this chapter in our previous video. Now, in this video, I told you some formulas for the next exercises for solving the question. So, start from the first formula. Formula number 1 is area of rhombus. Area of rhombus is equals to half into d1 into d2. d1 and d2 are diagonal of the rhombus, diagonal 1 and diagonal 2. Next is area of trapezium. Area of trapezium is equal to half into h. H means height. Height into sum of parallel sides. Now, area of quadrilateral is equals to half into d into sum of its offsets. Offsets means altitudes which are drawn on diagonal from the opposite vertex. Now, the turn is cuboid. First, total surface area of cuboid is equals to 2 bracket LB plus BH plus HL bracket close. LB and H are length, breadth and height. Next is lateral surface area of cuboid is equal to 2 bracket L plus B bracket close into H, or we can say in short P into H. Volume of cuboid is equals to L into B into H. Now the turn is cube. Total surface area of cube is equals to 6a square. Lateral surface area of cube is equals to 4a square. Volume of cube is equals to a cube. Now the turn is cylinder. Total surface area of cylinder is equals to 2 pi r bracket h plus r. Curved surface area of cylinder is equals to 2 pi r h. Volume of cylinder is equals to pi r square h. Few questions from the exercises. First question is, find the area of rhombus whose diagonals are 18 cm and 12 cm. So we use formula of area of rhombus. So area of rhombus is equals to half into d1 into d2. So half into 18 into 12, because 18 and 12 are both are the diagonals of this rhombus. So put the value of diagonals in this formula. Half into 18 into 12, solve it. 2 9s are 18 and 9 12s are 108. So this one is 108 centimeter square. Now second question is, find the area of the following trapezium if the perimeter of trapezium is 80 dm. So first of all, we have to find out the height from the perimeter. Okay, तो हम perimeter से क्या निकालेंगे, height निकालेंगे. So perimeter of trapezium is equals to sum of all sides. Okay, perimeter is 80 given in the question na? So is equals to 22 plus 28 plus 14 plus x for this height. Okay, so 80 is equals to sum of 22, 28 and 14 is 64. So this one is 64 plus x. Now after transforming, x is equals to 80 minus 64. So x is equals to 16. That means h is equals to 16 dm. Now find out the area of trapezium through half into h into sum of parallel sides. Okay, half into h. H is 16. So we use 16 in the place of h, and parallel sides are 22 and 14. Okay, so 2 8s are 16. Now 8 into 22 plus 14 is 36. So 8 into 36 is 288 dm square, and this is your area of trapezium. Now question number 3 is, find the area of the following quadrilateral ABCD. This is your quadrilateral ABCD. This one is diagonal and these are the offset of this quadrilaterals. Okay, Now use the formula. Area of quadrilateral is equals to half into d into sum of offsets. Half into 75. 75, d is 75, so we use 75 here, into offsets. Offsets are these, this one and this one. So 40 plus 50. Half into 75 into 90. 40 plus 50 is 90. Now solve it. 2 45s are 90. Multiply both of them. 75 into 45. This one is 3375. Okay. So your area of quadrilateral is 3375 meter square. Now next question is, find the total surface area of the cube whose edge is 15 meter. In this question, we have to find out total surface area. So we use the formula of total surface area of cube. Total surface area of cube is 6a square. A is 15 given in the question. So use 15 in the place of a. So 16 into 15 का square करेंगे. Okay. Now 15 square is equals to 225. So multiply by 6. This is 1350 meter square. So this is our total surface area of cube is 1350 meter square. Now next question is, find the total surface area of a cuboid whose dimensions are 8 cm, 12 cm and 15 cm. Use formula of total surface area of cuboid. This one is 2 bracket LB plus BH plus HL. L is 8, B is 12 and H is 15. So use all the three dimensions in this formula. So 2 bracket 8 into 12 plus 12 into 15 plus 15 into 8. Now solve it. After solving, we get 792 centimeter square, and this is the total surface area of cuboid. Now come to the last question, question number 5. Find the volume of cuboid whose dimensions are 4 cm, 6 cm and 3 cm. So use the formula of volume of cuboid, that is L into B into H. So we use LBH in this formula, 4 into 6 into 3, and this is 72 centimeter cube. Hope this one is very clear to all of you.